Here I have 10 ounces of wando peas. That number is 10. And over here in the exact same kind of container, I have another 10 ounces of wando peas. And my question is, which is faster? Hand shelling by hand like this, or using a device like this that has these two little rollers that squeeze the peas out? Which one is faster? So that took 14 minutes and 39 seconds, shelling 10 ounces of peas with this miserable device. So hand shelling took 11 minutes and 7 seconds. I think the first one was 14:39 or something. About 3.5 minutes quicker to do it by hand than with this machine. So again, here are the peas I shelled with the pea sheller, and here are the ones I did by hand. And the ones with the pea sheller have a lot more damage as well. Not only did it take longer, but there's a lot more damage. There's a lot more crushed peas, which I didn't want. And the ones done by hand are just fine. There's nothing crushed in there at all. Another problem with the pea sheller was I couldn't quite see what I was doing because there's this guard on top, which is great. I'm sure it's there for safety, but I couldn't see exactly where I was inserting the peas. So several times I was inserting them above the top roller. How this works is that there are two rollers here. You turn this and the peas get squished between the two. Well, a few times I was sticking them above this top roller and I couldn't see what I was doing, so I had to pull it back out and put it back in, and that burned up some time. Also, all of the peas I had that were shorter or only a little bit longer than this guard were hard to feed in there because it's hard to get my fingers in there. So those were the problems I had with this. I think in the future I'm just going to go back to hand shelling. It was a little bit faster and it's a little bit easier to see what you're doing, and I didn't end up with as much damage. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.